Hello guys, in today's video I want to show us how we can change our phone number on Athene network. Let's dive in. First of all, you log into your Athene network applications and then you click on the icon that shows your profile. You click on the icon here, then it will take you to a page where you can change your phone number here. So you first of all want to change the country code to the country wherever you are. In my own case, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to search for Nigeria here. So then I will input my phone number here, and then I'll click on update. So I've successfully changed my phone number on Athene network. It's super easy to do that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.